Hi, this is Theresa here at Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Bradenton, Florida. Just took in this 2017 Ram Power Wagon. This is a 2500. It is granite in color. It has the standard Power Wagon wheels. It does have the steps to help get in. It has a tonneau cover with a fabric liner in the tailgate. This is an awesome vehicle. It was bought here at Firkins. It's got the backup camera. It does have the hitch on the back, backup sensors, crew cab. It's got your tow mirrors. Inside it does have power windows, power locks, power fold-in mirrors. Does have memory seats, automatic headlights, Bluetooth, voice recognition, cruise control, 8.4 radio screen with heated ventilated seats, navigation. It does have travel links. This is a 4x4. Does have the trailer tow brake, the exhaust brake. This is awesome vehicle. There's your Power Wagon on the seat. There's your memory seats, 8-way power, 4-way lumbar. Very, very nice vehicle. The windows are tinted very dark. Even the windshield is tinted. You do have storage in the floor, under your floor mats, plus under the seats. Very, very nice, very well kept. It's immaculate inside. In the front, it does have the winch. And all the brackets for it are inside, under the seat. Very, very nice vehicle, very aggressive look. If you'd like more information, please call Theresa here at Firkins. You can reach me at 941-807-1165. It's an awesome vehicle, and you'll only find it at Firkins.